Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound now. Good morning. The sound seems good. Now on to tagging. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we're starting a new series inspired by the Book of Forgiving, the Fourfold Path for Healing Ourselves and Our World. That was written by Desmond Tutu, a South African archbishop best known for his opposition to apartheid in South Africa, for which he received the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1984, and it's co-authored by his daughter, Mpho Tutu. I'm very excited about this series because it looks like many of us feel the need to learn more about forgiveness, and not just in theory, but really how to apply the practice of forgiveness in our day-to-day relationships and encounters. So let me start by reading an excerpt from the introduction to the Book of Forgiving. For every injustice, there is a choice. You can choose forgiveness or you can choose revenge. But revenge is always costly. In South Africa, we chose to seek forgiveness rather than revenge. That choice averted a bloodbath. Choosing forgiveness rather than retaliation ultimately serves to make you a stronger and freer person. Peace always comes to those who choose to forgive. While both Ampho and I have seen the effects of drinking the bitter poison of anger and resentment, seen how it corrodes and destroys from the inside out, we have also seen the sweet balm of forgiveness soothe and transform even the most virulent situations. This is why we can say there is hope. Forgiveness is a conversation, and like most important conversations, it needs a language that is clear and honest and sincere. So in this series, we will learn the language of forgiveness. Along the way, we will do meditations, exercises, and rituals to guide and help you as you walk along this path. Some of the exercises will offer a lot of comfort and solace, and some exercises will also challenge you. In South Africa, there is a word, Ubuntu, that literally means humanity. It is the philosophy and belief that a person is only a person through other people. In other words, we are human only in relationships to other humans. Our humanity is bound up in one another, and any tear in the fabric of connection between us must be repaired for all to be made whole. This interconnectedness is the very root of who we are. To walk the path of forgiveness is to recognize that your crimes harm you as they harm me. To walk the path of forgiveness is to recognize that my dignity is bound up in your dignity, and every wrongdoing hurts us all. Remember the famous butterfly effect, the notion that one small occurrence can influence a much larger, complex system. A butterfly flapping its wings could hypothetically cause a typhoon. This is precisely the level of interconnectedness we're talking about here. So today, let's do a practice of loving kindness together to remind ourselves of our interconnectedness, of our shared humanity. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be natural, not forced. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. and start by sending loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. If you feel ready to expand your energy to include other people, bring to mind somebody you love dearly, a friend or a family member, somebody who it is easy for you to send loving kindness to. Maybe imagine their face or feel their presence and start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind somebody who is a positive influence in your life, a benefactor, and start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a neutral person, somebody who does not influence your life in any way. Start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now think of a challenging person in your life. See if you can extend loving kindness to them. As always, as you do it, notice what comes up for you in your body, your heart, your mind, and just accept everything the way it is. Don't worry about fabricating this feeling of loving kindness toward that person. Simply recite the phrases and notice what happens. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And finally, include all living beings in your loving kindness, all the humans and all the non-humans. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well in body and mind. May all beings feel safe, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, keep reminding yourself of our interconnectedness. Whenever you do or say something, it always affects not just you, but the world around you. Sometimes in a very obvious way, and sometimes in a very intricately unobtrusive way, like in the butterfly effect. And if you chose to keep a forgiveness journal, a notebook where you're gonna write your thoughts along the way, along this process, you can jot your thoughts around interconnectedness and maybe challenges of your loving kindness practice in this book, in this journal. Enjoy the process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.